Ever wondered what it's like traveling the world solo as a woman? It's a question more and more individuals are answering with a resounding yes as they pack their bags and set off on solo adventures. Traveling alone as a woman is not just about seeing new places, it's about empowerment, self-discovery, and taking charge of your own journey. But let's be real, it also comes with its own unique set of challenges. Safety concerns, cultural sensitivities, navigating unfamiliar landscapes. These are all part and parcel of the solo female travel experience. But fear not, because with the right preparation, these challenges become less daunting. So are you ready to embark on this journey with us? We're about to explore everything from the essential safety tips to the art of packing, choosing the right accommodations, and even planning for emergencies. Join us as we delve into the world of solo female travel. From planning to packing, accommodations to activities, we've got you covered. First things first, safety is paramount. When embarking on a solo journey, it's crucial to take certain safety precautions. One of the most important steps you can take is to thoroughly research your destination. Get to know the local customs, language, and laws. Understand the unique risks and challenges that you might face there. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about your destination, the better prepared you'll be. Staying aware of your surroundings is another essential step. Whether you're exploring a bustling city or trekking through a serene forest, keep your senses alert. Listen to the sounds around you, observe the people and the environment, and stay present in the moment. It's easy to get lost in the beauty of a new place, but always remember to stay vigilant. Avoiding isolated areas, particularly at night, is another key safety tip. Stick to well-lit and populated areas whenever possible. If you're out late, consider taking a taxi or rideshare back to your accommodation instead of walking. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Your gut feelings are your body's natural way of warning you when something isn't right. Don't dismiss these feelings. Instead, pay attention to them and act accordingly. If a person or situation makes you uncomfortable, remove yourself from it. And remember, it's okay to say no. Don't feel pressured to do anything you're not comfortable with. It's your journey, and you have the right to enjoy it at your own pace and on your own terms. Lastly, always let someone know where you're going and when you plan to return. This could be a friend, a family member, or even the staff at your hotel. It's a simple step that can go a long way in ensuring your safety. In conclusion, while traveling alone can be an exhilarating experience, it's crucial to prioritize your safety above all else. Research your destination, stay aware of your surroundings, avoid isolated areas at night, trust your instincts, and don't hesitate to say no when needed. Remember, your safety is always the top priority. Packing light yet right is an art. Let's dive into some packing tips tailored specifically for solo female travelers. First, consider safety items. Personal alarms are compact and can draw attention in an emergency. Door stoppers, on the other hand, can add an extra layer of security to hotel rooms, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. Next, let's talk money storage. Discreet options are always best. Money belts, hidden pouches, or even specialty underwear with hidden pockets can keep your cash and cards out of sight and safe. When packing your clothes, remember to roll instead of fold. This not only saves space, but also prevents wrinkles. Packing cubes can further help you organize your belongings and make the most of your suitcase space. Remember, the goal is not to bring everything you own, but to bring what you need. Packing smart and light can make your journey a lot easier. Where you stay can make or break your travel experience. When traveling alone, it's crucial to choose accommodations that are not only comfortable but also safe and female-friendly. Let's start with hotels. When looking for hotels, consider those with good reviews, particularly from solo female travelers. These reviews can provide valuable insights into the safety, location, and overall quality of the hotel. Try to find a place that's centrally located, near main attractions or transport hubs, and in well-lit areas. Also, amenities like 24-hour reception, security cameras, and secure parking can be a bonus. Hostels can also be a great option, especially for those on a budget. They can also provide an opportunity to meet other travelers. Look for hostels that offer female-only dorms. These can offer a sense of security and camaraderie that mixed dorms may not. Again, reviews from other solo female travelers can be a goldmine of information. Apart from hotels and hostels, you might also consider vacation rentals, like apartments or houses. These can provide a feeling of home away from home, but safety should still be a priority. Choose rentals that are in safe neighborhoods and have good security measures in place. Check for reviews and always communicate through the official platform to ensure your safety. Bed and breakfast can also be a charming and safe option. Often these are run by locals who can provide invaluable advice and assistance during your stay. Remember, the price should not be your only deciding factor. The cheapest option may not always be the safest or the most comfortable. Balance your budget with your need for safety and comfort. Also, consider the check-in and check-out times. If you're arriving late at night or leaving very early in the morning, you'll want to ensure that it's safe and convenient to do so. Lastly, once you've booked your accommodation, it's a good idea to share the details with someone you trust. That way, someone knows where you are in case of an emergency. A safe and comfortable place to rest is key to a successful solo trip. So take your time, do your research, and choose the accommodation that's right for you. Getting around in a new place can be tricky, but not impossible. When it comes to public transportation, a well-prepared traveler is a safe one. Start by researching your options. Buses, trains, trams, or subways. Different modes of transportation have their own charm and challenges. Use reliable apps or websites to understand routes, schedules, and fares. Be alert to your surroundings while on public transport, and avoid using headphones or getting engrossed in your phone. Now, what about taxis or ride-sharing services? Again, research is your best friend. Look for services with positive reviews and ensure they are licensed. Always share your ride details with someone you trust, just in case. Planning your routes is another essential step. Knowing where you're going and how to get there can save you from unnecessary stress. Use GPS or offline maps to plan your routes in advance and always have a backup plan. Try to travel during daylight hours whenever possible, especially when you're still getting to know your surroundings. And remember, sometimes the best way to explore a new city is on foot. Walking can give you a real feel for the place, its people, and its culture. Just make sure to stick to well-lit, busy areas, especially after dark. With a bit of planning, you can navigate any city like a pro. Respecting local cultures is a must for any traveler. When we step foot into a new country, we are stepping into a world with its own unique set of norms, customs, and traditions. Understanding these cultural nuances is key to ensuring our interactions are respectful and our experiences are rich and fulfilling. Let's start with cultural norms. Every society has its own unwritten rules on what is considered acceptable behavior. Whether it's taking off shoes before entering a home in Japan or avoiding the okay gesture in Brazil, it's essential to research these norms before you travel. This way, you steer clear of any faux pas that could lead to uncomfortable situations. Next, we talk about appropriate attire. The way we dress can greatly influence the way we are perceived in different cultures. In some places, showing too much skin can be seen as disrespectful or even offensive. In others, wearing certain colors or patterns may have special cultural significance. Make sure to do your homework on what to wear, and when in doubt, lean towards modesty. Last but not least, respectful behavior. This is about showing consideration for the values and customs of the people you're visiting. It's about understanding that you're a guest in their country, and your behavior should reflect that. This can be as simple as observing silence in sacred spaces, to more complex practices like partaking in local rituals. Being culturally sensitive not only ensures a pleasant journey, but also helps you connect with the locals. By showing respect for their way of life, you're more likely to be welcomed with open arms, making your travel experience all the more enriching. Traveling solo doesn't mean you can't have fun. On the contrary, it opens up a world of activities and experiences that are both enjoyable and safe for solo female travelers. Guided tours, for instance, offer the advantage of local knowledge and security. They can offer an in-depth understanding of the city's history, culture, and hidden gems that you might miss out on otherwise. Workshops, too, are a fantastic way to immerse yourself in a new culture. Whether it's a pottery class in Morocco, a cooking class in Italy, or a dance workshop in Spain, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. Group activities are another great option. Joining a yoga retreat in Bali or an eco-tourism group in Costa Rica allows you to connect with fellow travelers while exploring mesmerizing landscapes. Remember, the key is to balance your independence with opportunities to engage and learn from the world around you. Solo travel offers endless opportunities for fun and self-discovery. Emergencies can happen. Being prepared is essential. Unpredictable occurrences are part of the adventure, but knowing how to navigate them is crucial. Let's start with local emergency numbers. Each country has its own, so make it a priority to familiarize yourself with these before you arrive. From police to medical services, these numbers are your lifeline should anything go awry. Next, consider your important documents. Passports, visas, insurance papers, all should have a backup. Photocopies are a good start, but digital copies stored securely online are even better. This ensures that even if you lose the physical copy, you're not left stranded. Last but not least, stay connected. Let your loved ones know where you're going and what your plans are. Share your itinerary and accommodation details. Regular check-ins are a great way to reassure those back home, and they also provide a safety net for you. Remember, preparation is key to handling any emergency situation. Solo travel doesn't mean you're alone. This journey of self-discovery often leads to forming some of the most meaningful connections. One of the many ways to do this is through social media platforms. They're a great place to start, as they offer numerous groups and pages dedicated to solo female travelers. Here, you can share experiences, ask questions, and even plan meetups. Forums are another excellent resource. They provide a space where travelers can exchange tips, recommendations, and words of encouragement. Websites like the Solo Female Traveler Network are brimming with valuable insights and an active community ready to welcome you. And let's not forget about women-only travel groups. These are a fantastic way to find companionship and camaraderie while exploring the world. Groups like Girls Love Travel or Women Who Explore can offer a sense of comfort and belonging, even in the most unfamiliar places. Remember, connecting with others can make your solo travel experience even more enriching. Solo travel is a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. It's an adventure that allows you to stretch your boundaries, discover new cultures, and truly get to know yourself. As we wrap up this video, let's reflect on some inspiring stories of solo female travelers who have embraced this journey. Take, for example, Lily. She embarked on her first solo trip to Japan, learning the language, exploring ancient temples, and immersing herself in a culture vastly different from her own. The challenges were plentiful, from navigating public transportation to understanding local customs, but she overcame them all with grace and resilience, returning home with a newfound sense of self-assurance and a suitcase full of unforgettable memories. Then there's Maya, a seasoned solo traveler who has journeyed through countless countries. From hiking in the Swiss Alps to dancing at a festival in Brazil, Maya's adventures are as diverse as they are captivating. She's faced challenges, yes, but she's also discovered her ability to adapt, to solve problems, to connect with strangers who become friends. She embodies the spirit of solo travel, proving that it's not about avoiding difficulties, but about overcoming them. And let's not forget about Sarah. She took her first solo trip at 50, proving that it's never too late to start exploring. She journeyed through Italy, learning to make pasta from scratch, exploring art museums, and savoring every moment of her adventure. Her story serves as a reminder that solo travel isn't confined to a specific age or lifestyle. It's an opportunity open to all who dare to seize it. These stories and countless others are testaments to the transformative power of solo travel. They prove that journeying alone can cultivate resilience, foster independence, and ignite a deep-seated passion for exploration. They remind us that while the world is vast and varied, we're all connected through our shared experiences and adventures. So, as you prepare for your own solo journey, remember to embrace the challenges, to savor each moment, and to let every experience shape you. Solo travel isn't just about exploring new places, it's about discovering new facets of yourself. It's an adventure that you owe to yourself, an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to truly live. So, are you ready to embark on your solo adventure?